Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour here of the brand new 2025 Sierra 4002 FB fifth wheel by Forestriver RV. Got a battery disconnect in there, large storage area. There's also TV hookups out here. You are going to have two 30-pound propane tanks behind that baggage door, heavy-duty MORryde entry exit step, large grab handle, deep tint safety glass windows on this RV. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's step inside here real quick. Let's check this out, and then we're going to come back outside and check out the outside a little better. But moving up in here, you're going to have two large slide outs here in your kitchen living room area. But you got your dinette area over there. You're going to have theater seats set up over there. You have roller night shades. The unit has a tire pressure monitoring system right here. You also have a little wireless charge pad there. A couple electric outlets on the side of your island. Beautiful solid surface countertops. High-rise spring sprayer faucet. You got the smart TV up right here. This is pretty cool. You got a little entertainment area with electric fireplace, stereo system right there. And then you have storage back in behind here. Little vacuum back there. Very nice. Propane oven, 3-burner gas stove top. You do have the large microwave as well. You're going to have a pantry area over here. You also have a Everchill 12-volt refrigerator. But what do you think of these colors and stuff? Do you like this woodworking? Furniture colors, countertops and stuff, flooring? What do you guys think? Is this something you think you could hit the road with the family and do some serious traveling? Now right up here is going to be a loft area. So you could put a kid or two up here pretty comfortably. It has a metal ladder there to help them get up and down. Makes a great storage area if you don't have the extra grandkids or kids with you. You're going to have a queen bed back here. There's storage underneath of your bed. You got quite a bit of dresser space and hanging closet space here. There's TV hookups here as well. Now back here is going to be its own bathroom area for this bedroom. So you have your foot flush toilet, little sink area, medicine cabinet area, all right there. It has its own entry exit way going out the rear of the RV. That's kind of cool. It's got the heavy duty MORryde step. And over here you do have a little tub / shower combo. Let's head up to the front here and check that out. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country, guys. They have shipping available so they can ship it to your campsite, to your home. They're one of the largest dealers out there, and they're definitely one of the cheapest dealers out there as well. So they should be able to help save you a lot of money. You're going to have a one-piece fiberglass shower. Porcelain commode right here. Little sink area and stuff. Does have that adjustable shower bar there, so you can adjust the shower head height and stuff. And then right here is going to be the front bedroom area. Again, queen size bed up here. Windows on each side of the bed open. Storage underneath of the bed. Nice window over there. Dresser area. TV hookups. Thing has a couple ACs, propane furnace, electric fireplace, has enclosed underbelly, heated holding tanks. It is an aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. You could do a combo washer dryer or a stackable washer dryer in here, or do no washer dryer if you just got a lot of clothes. All right, now let's head outside here. I want to show you around the outside part real quick. So this solid step going out here by MORryde also has the shock assist right here. So it's real easy to kind of flip in and out. But again, back here on the outside, one piece fiberglass sidewall. It's an aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with a lower black metal skirting. You got some vinyl graphics on there. Aluminum wheels, Goodyear endurance tires, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, 4-point electric auto level jack system. There's an area back here to mount a griddle and stuff on. It is prepped in the top up there for the Furrion rear observation camera. Very nice wireless camera system that you can buy and install aftermarket or talk with your dealer about doing it. It's prepped in the top right corner also for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a very nice ladder that telescopes up, hooks on. It would allow you to climb up onto your roof, inspect your seams and your seals and everything. There's a lot of stuff up there as far as like AC systems, TV antennas, plumbing stack vents, you know, roof vents, skylights. You got to get up there and maintain all of that stuff. Slide out wise, again, multiple slide outs here, and you might consider adding slide out awning covers to these. It's very nice, helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, all that type of stuff. So talk with your sales guy about that if something like that interests you too. You're going to have a dump area right down here for your rear bathroom setup. There is a vent up there for the stove area. And then down below here is going to be another dump area, which is for the sink area and also your front bathroom area. You're going to have your detachable 50 amp power cord here, your furnace exhaust out right here. You have your on-demand Furrion water heater right here. And then behind this door, we are going to have the other side of the storage compartment, but it has our solar charge controller for our 200 watt solar panel that's on the roof, motion light, auto level jack controls. Again, it has an auto level jack system on it. Just down below down there is where the fresh water tank drain is if you use your portable water. And then right here, you're going to have water filtration system. You also have a couple of your dump valves right here. Outside utility shower here, cable inlets, black tank flush, you know, quite a bit of stuff here. But you hook your water hose up and then you direct it where you want it to go by these valves. So if you want to use city water or fill your fresh tank or whatever. Some real important informational stuff right here. You are going to have the production date sticker. It tells me this RV was built 3/10 of 25. Again, 4002 FB. Gross weight, 15,500 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined do not exceed that number. You're going to have 13,635 pound dry weight, the way this one rolled off the assembly line with these options. Exterior length of 43 feet 5 inches. Tire size is ST2 3580R 16 G range tires. Is what that says right there for the spare. And it says the regular ones are ST255 85R 16 E range tires with an 80 PSI cold. So a little bit different size on the regular tire versus the spare tire. And again, rim size is going to be a little different as far as typically you got an aluminum wheel on the ground and a steel wheel on your spare. Moving along here, you are going to have storage in this front section right here. Battery compartment, little area right there. Stepping back here, checking out the front nose of the RV. It's got a heavy-duty fiberglass front shell, multiple LED light strips in the front here. It has the Rhino pen box on your hookup here. So if you want to upgrade this to like a Kurt Air Ride or a More Ride pen box, you got to make sure it bolts up to the Rhino box pattern by Lippert. That is very, very important to do so you get the right parts. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour on the Sierra 4002 FB, the big brother or sister product to the Sandpiper that also runs down the same assembly line, built by the same people, using the same model numbers. They just slap some different colors and graphics on it. So if you are out there shopping and you're looking for a Sierra or a Sandpiper because you like this floor plan, talk with the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They got them. They could get them for you if they don't have them. Give them a call.